Good my people, it's your boy Young Z back on the channel today, and guess what, I'm back with another video. But this ain't one of my pranks today, I can't lie, this ain't one of my pranks. I'm actually doing a story time on what happened in the IKEA time when me and my friend called Mizzy did an overnight challenge. We did a 24-hour challenge in IKEA. So you guys have been asking for the story time, so I was like, well, why not give a story time to you guys? Because you guys have been asking for it. So cool, so basically I'm gonna get straight into it. So let me tell you what happened. So me, my friend Mizzy, DZ, we're gonna start from the beginning because I don't want to make it all long, but it's gonna tell you exactly what happened. Basically, me, DZ, Chromie, and I think other people were there. We were like, let's go do the overnight challenge. These guys were on it as well, so we all headed off over to North Greenwich IKEA. When we headed over there, we all headed there. We all got in right, but then the security were a bit suspicious on what was happening. So they said that you can't be in groups because we were in about 4 or 5 groups. We couldn't be in groups. So they said that you and two Nico by 2 by 2 groups. So me and Mizzy were like, let's go, come. We went upstairs. And then we hid behind this like bed. We hid behind it. We sat there for about 3 hours. We were waiting for 3 hours. So when we was waiting for 3 hours, we were just chilling. We kind of slept for a bit, I guess you could say. And then we got there at 8 o'clock, right? And it closed at 9. So when that happened, when it closed at 9, it was about 11:30, yeah, 11:30ish. That's when we were starting to go live on TikTok. So when we went live on TikTok, we were there for like about half an hour on live. So when that happened, half an hour went by, we got about 700, 800 views on TikTok live. And that's not what we expected to have because we don't usually have that much views on TikTok live. It's not about the followers, but that's not what we have.
Thank you.
See, the store was gonna close in 5 minutes, which meant it was 8:55, so all customers had to leave. This was before we went TikTok live. Like, this was way before we went TikTok live. So this is the clip that I'm showing you right now. Ah, bro. Stop making fun, bro. Look, now stop.
We're trapped, bro.
ورجعناك إلى أمك كي تقر عينها ولا تحزن وقتلت نفسا فنجيناك من الغم.
Hey yo, Missy, look. Hey Missy, look. Hey yo, look. Hey yo, shall I jump you, man? Shall I jump? Hey! Ah, what bats are bouncy though?
Hey, run on all the beds and just jump on it.
Come.
Backflip. Hey.
We outside! Oh! You man, we outside. One more. We outside.
He's really mashing work,
We
bro.
outside.
He's really mashing work, bro. He's really mashing work. He's really mashing work, bro. He's really...
Oh my gosh.
No,
They keep trying to scare us.
the sounds a lie.
Are you man, not Rose, we meant YouTube team. But anyways, are you man ready for this when it comes on YouTube? Follow me right now. How many followers we have?
Bro, yeah, see, it wasn't just me that heard that, bro. I got shook as well.
Yeah, now.
Bro, these man got scared.
Hey, what's that?
It's the confetti.
Oh, come on guys, let's get sturdy for that.
I'm gonna shat myself, bro.
I'm gonna head over to the part what happened when me and Mizzy did, because I don't want to keep waffling. So basically, when me and Mizzy were hiding, we went on TikTok live. We had about 2,000 people on the live. Then police officers were on our live. Apparently, people like this is that location. They got the location of where we were, so we were just carrying on with our live. On my live, I had 2,000 people. Mizzy was live on his live, he had about 700. So we were doing our thing, we were just chilling. He was recording a YouTube video, I was recording a YouTube video. So we're recording, we're filming, we're doing messing around. I put the clips up of what we did now.
Bro, it opens Monday. We're gonna be trapped in the fire exit or what? Bro, we're gonna be trapped here, bro. We're gonna be trapped here.
We have no.
I don't think it's Monday. I think, bro, it's IKEA.
Have you? No, we're not cool.
IKEA opens on Saturday, bro. Why would it not open on Saturday?
Exactly, say that as well. So yeah, as you guys saw the clips of what we was doing, what we was doing. We was having some fun. That's what we were doing overnight challenge. So it was about 12:40. No, not even 12:40. 20 minutes went by. 20 minutes by. We have police officers come through, and they were like, they come through, right, and they're like, get hands behind your back, and then they were cool police officers though, but they were hands behind our back. We got detained, they searched us, they checked our bags, we had nothing on us obviously, and we were filming. They took Missy's phone away, they didn't take mine for some reason. So let's say half an hour went by, they searched us, they got details down, they got everything down. We were detained basically. They detained us for sections 1 something, I'm not sure, but they detained us. So after that happened, we were just there. So basically after we've got detained, searched, they took us down to some next aisle which went all the way down. They took us to like the back of IKEA. So there was a sofa there. We were sitting there. They took our phones. They said that you're gonna delete the footage or you will get nicked, which means arrested. So we cannot get bagged. So they said you have to delete the footage now, delete everything. They went through our phones, delete all our footage. So I literally couldn't make a YouTube video about it. Delete everything or we would get bagged. So then Mizzy got to go home because he's 17, right? So he could have cut yard. He can cut yard. I can't. So they were like to me, we're gonna have to drop you home. It was 3 in the morning. Got dropped yard. L's. So basically, yeah, that's literally what happened. So basically, I don't even want to make it long for you guys, but that's literally what happened. But yeah, that's literally what happened, man. Basically, we were banned from IKEA. We can never go to any IKEA in the UK forever. We're literally banned for the rest of our lives. That's what happened. We didn't get arrested, which is a good thing. That's the good thing. We got detained, but we did not get arrested. That's the good thing. So we banned from every IKEA in the UK. And yeah, that's literally what happened, man. That's the story time, I guess you could say. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the story time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I've got more pranks coming soon. So let's go.